Hi guys, today I'll show you the problem of my Honda CRV. So every time I lock and unlock, there's a strange noise. So I try to unlock this one so you can hear that. So let's go inside. So the sound is coming from the rear. So this one, rear actuator. So I try to, if I unlock the door, you can hear that sound. So just lock, unlock. Yeah, so it's also having some issue whenever you're trying to accelerate, then it will lock automatically. Yeah, it keeps on doing that. Whenever I stop, then accelerate. So I will take this one to the garage because I don't want to fix it myself for warranty reason, and I'm a bit lazy about it, but I will show you the result afterwards. Okay, after replacing the actuator, so this is the faulty one. The problem is fixed. Now it is quiet. So unlike before, it is producing noise when you're unlocking the door, and also when I'm driving, it keeps on locking automatically. So try to unlock. Now it's good. Then lock, unlock, unlock. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching.